be in, but the story pretty much follows a guy that gets on a plane from Dubai to London, and the plane gets hijacked, and we get to see what happens on the plane and outside of it, with all of it being tied up into a neat story that, out of the 3 times that I watched, all were binges without interruptions or any conversations, which I think, as far as a feedback on storytelling, is quite impressive. And this is an original story, even though planes got hijacked in the past and many movies were made about it. But my point is, it is an original story, original characters, a lot of interesting twists, and a lot of interesting elements that definitely make it worth your while, and I think generally is just a good addition to the thriller and psychological drama genre.